Hey mama, welcome back to Single Mom Rich Gang. I'm Mimi, and today we're diving into how to start a side hustle as a single mom. Whether you're looking to earn extra income, tap into a passion, or work towards financial freedom, I'm here to show you how you can turn your dreams into reality, step by step. Being a single mom is a superpower, but we also know it can be overwhelming. You've got a lot to balance, but starting a side hustle can be the key to bringing in extra cash and finding a path to financial independence. Step 1. Find your passion. What do you love to do? What lights you up? Whether it's baking, graphic design, coaching, or organizing, the key is finding something that excites you. Your side hustle should feel fulfilling, not draining. Starting with what you're passionate about gives you the energy and drive to keep going, especially when things get tough. All right, step 2 is to validate your idea. So ask yourself, do people actually want what you're offering? One way to validate your idea is by talking to your potential customers. That could be friends, family, or even strangers online, honestly. You can also run a small poll or test your product or service on social media. Don't be afraid of feedback. It's honestly a game changer. You want to make sure there's a market for what you're offering before you invest too much time or money. Okay, step 3. Plan and set goals. You've got your passion and validated it. Now it's time to make a plan. Break it down into small, manageable steps. So, what's your product or service? What do you need to get started? And most importantly, what's your income goal? So set short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's earning your first $100 or hitting a specific number of clients, having clear goals will, really keep you motivated. Step 4. Set a budget. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to break the bank. Take a look at what you already have and plan your budget around it. Some side hustles can actually be started with zero upfront cost. Be realistic with your spending. Whether it's for marketing materials or software, just keep it lean while you're starting out. You can always scale as your hustle grows, so don't stress about doing everything at once. Step 5. Create your brand. So what do you want your business to stand for? Your brand includes your business name, your logo, your website, and honestly, just the whole vibe you give off. And hey, don't stress if you don't have a huge budget. There are plenty of free tools online that can help you build your brand from scratch. Your brand needs to reflect who you are and attract the right people, so make sure it really speaks to your audience. Step 6. Market your hustle. You've got to get the word out there. Use social media, email newsletters, and even word of mouth. People need to know that you exist, and make sure you're consistent in posting and engaging with your audience. Marketing doesn't need to be expensive either. You can totally utilize free platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to spread the word. And don't forget, you are your best advertisement. So, share your story and why you started your hustle. Step 7. Launch your hustle and keep going. The launch is exciting, but remember, it's just the beginning. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and stay focused. Success won't happen overnight, but with consistency, you'll get there. As a single mom, you've got the drive, determination, and resilience to make your side hustle a success. Trust the process, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward. So, mama, that's how you start a side hustle as a single mom. You've got this. Remember, passion plus action equals success. I want to hear about your hustle, so drop a comment below telling me what side hustle you're starting. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with other moms who need a little extra motivation. Until next time, stay motivated, stay empowered, and keep hustling. You're a part of the Single Mom Rich Gang now, and we're here to win together.